Hi, I'm John Donohoe of Healing Courses Online. Global leaders in holistic online energy healing medicine. Welcome to the Sound Healing course. Would you like to work as a sound healer and be able to help transform the life, health and well-being of another person using sound? Learn how to use sound healing instruments such as Tibetan singing bowls, crystal quartz bowls, tingshaws and gongs, plus learn how to use the power of your own voice for healing. Learn how to conduct gong bath sessions and work with groups of people doing sound healing. This course is ideal if you're just starting off, or if you're already working as a practitioner and would like to add sound healing to your current practice. Science now accepts how the power of sound vibrations can be used to help the body to heal from a variety of health issues, bringing about harmony and balance in the body.
Anyone can learn this course simply by watching our many live, easy to understand, practical, and dynamic sound healing video lectures. In this course, you can learn how to conduct a full one-on-one healing and chakra balancing session. This course will show you how to unlock and connect to your energy healing abilities. Plus, you automatically receive sound healing for your own body each time you use these sound healing instruments. You learn how to use sound healing for family and friends. And if you wish, you can start your own sound healing business, with paying clients affording you a great opportunity to be your own boss and also help others to heal.
During the sound healing session, all my worries and stresses evaporated. Past and future didn't exist. I felt a sense of peace and inner healing.
We provide you with 24/7 assistance and lifetime support. Register now and start your sound healing course today.